Hi, welcome to my channel Wonderful Things. In this video, we will see how we can actually make the VLC media player as the default media player in your Windows operating system. This can be done in a very easy steps. What you have to do here is you have to go to this search and you have to search here with default apps. So you can see the best match has appeared here as a default app system settings. You have to click on this. So once you have clicked on this, you can see this is the list of the default apps in your machine, and what you have to do here is you have to change couple of things. What you have to do here is in the music player, currently it is set to Windows Media Player. You have to click on this, change it to VLC Media Player, and you scroll down a bit, and then you can see in the bottom there is something called Video Player. So you have to click on this again, and you have to change this window media player to the VLC media player. Now both the music player and the video player is set to VLC media player. So whenever you click any media files, that will always opens in the VLC media player. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.